Hi and welcome back everybody, I'm Molt Money. Hope you all had a great day and I've got a great XLM XRP video for you today. So if you like talking about these two banking coins, do me a favor and smash that like button below. Of course, if you're new to the channel, feel free to subscribe. It's absolutely free. So we've got a lot to talk today about what is going on with XLM XRP, some news updates. Of course, I want to talk about what's going on in terms of price action, what the charts are showing us, what they're reading to us. But of course, we've got to talk about the elephant in the room, and that is this XRP case. Because look, it is being rumored that the SEC has their hands tied, and they pretty much know at this point that they're not going to win for one, and that XRP will not get labeled as a security. So will we win this case outright? Will Ripple win and beat the SEC outright, or will there be a settlement? Anyone's guess. But hey, who's afraid of the big bad wolf? Gary Gensler, we're not afraid of you. So looking at the entire cryptocurrency market right now, still well below 1 trillion. Sitting pretty flat on the day, up 0.27%. So better than down, right? But we've got a Bitcoin sitting a little over 19K and Ethereum around 1,300. What's that you say? Stellar's got a ton of volume coming in. And I've been talking about this. The past couple days, we have gotten a lot of eyes around the market. Everyone and their brother and their moms and their dads and their dogs and cats are taking a look at these two banking coins. And you can clearly see that as in the past 24 hours, 86% up at the time of this recording. Yes, sitting pretty flat in terms of price action. Of course, the whole market is. But this, and I talked about this yesterday, is one of the more healthy charts, and so is XRP. XRP, respectively, up 57.71% in the past 24 hours, and they're up 3.8% in price. So what do I expect, or what do I think is going to happen over the next couple days into this weekend? Well, you obviously get a lot of trading on the weekends. Why? Because the stock market is closed. That's a big reason, big factor there. So I wouldn't be surprised if we see more price action in the upward direction this weekend. And we're going to talk about what's going on with these charts in just a second here. I like this article. Shout out to bncrypto.com. I absolutely love this article. It says why XRP, XLM, Algo. I'm going to focus on those three because why I own them. And I love these three coins more than pretty much anything out there. Also HBAR, of course. But why are they outperforming the rest of the crypto market? Well, let's get into that. Now, first taking a look at what's happened as of late, XRP up about 56.94%, Algorand up 29.76%, and of course our beloved XLM Stellar up 25.42%. So let's start with XRP. XRP price trend reversal incoming. Reversal incoming. Love to hear that, right? So in June and September, XRP bounced at a long-term ascending support line and the 32-cent horizontal support area. Okay? Then afterward, it initiated a strong upward movement and broke out for a long-term descending resistant line. Got that? Okay. So additionally, the weekly RSI is in the process of breaking out from its bearish divergence trend line. If the upward movement continues, and I already told you I do believe it will, the closest resistance area would be 60 cents. That would be beautiful. So that would be a solid 10-cent increase from where we're at. A reclaim of both this area and the RSI breakout above its trend line would confirm that a bullish trend reversal has begun. And so here they've got a shot for you. You can see getting tighter wedge into where we pretty much only got, I mean, we could always go down lower, but when it comes to this, we're like a pressure cooker heating up, and it's going to pop one way or another. Generally speaking, it's going to pop upward, and especially with all the volume we have coming in right now at the moment. So Algo, price starts breakout. Same thing, right? We have this channel happening right here, and it looks like It appears that it's bouncing back and forth, getting tighter and tighter like that pressure cooker I talk about, and ready to pounce upward. Algo has been trading in the range of 28 cents to 37 cents since May. Both the bottom and top range have been validated numerous times. Currently, Algo is in the process of breaking out from the resistant line. The daily RSI has already broken out, so it is likely the price will follow suit. I love this. All of this bullish. We haven't had a lot of bullish news for months now, so you could probably tell in my voice I'm extremely excited about what is happening right now. So if Algo breaks out, the next closest resistance would be 52 cents. Would love to see it. And then finally, getting into XLM, price creates bullish divergence. XLM had been decreasing underneath a descending resistance line since the beginning of June, right? This downward movement led to a low of 9 cents. I can't believe people were selling at under 10 cents. Can you believe that? This is a coin that I believe, let me know if you think I'm crazy in the comments below, but I'm going to say it. I believe this will be $100 plus in the future. I'm not saying tomorrow, I'm not saying the next week, next month, next year even. But in my personal opinion, this 100% will be past that $100 mark in the future. So after daily RSI generated bullish divergence, XLM broke out from the line on September 2nd. If the upward movement continues, the closest resistance area would be 15 cents. Would love to see it. Danielle Dixon getting into this. Gloves are off, right? I love to see who she is talking to daily. Every single day she's going to bat for us. And here she is talking with Bloomberg, catching up with Carol and Tim here on Bloomberg Radio. Today is at around noon, right? Crypto regulation, why stablecoin legislation needs to be the #1 issue in DC. Danielle Dixon, hats off to you. Salute to you, because you are constantly going to bat, not just for the Stellar Development Foundation, the amazing technology that we have, but the entire cryptocurrency market. And so let me know if you disagree in the comments section, but to me, this is the type of leader I want to invest in. This is the type of person that changes the world. And I mean that. She is helping change the world. We see that. And she's already, of course, made the partnerships with the World Economic Forum, already working with regulators and senators all over the world, working with other countries. You know, our technology is already there and already being utilized all over the world. This is heating up in a big way. Next, I want to pull up this, and we don't have a whole lot left to cover in this video, but I do have a couple important things I want to talk about. She says, excited to announce my attendance at Meridian 2022, hosted by Stellar in Rome, October 11th. Yeah, Stellar is doing this, by the way, if you didn't already know. I'll be taking my seat at the Spotlight on Stablecoins panel to discuss Odd Digital and how we're building utility and trust under scrutiny post-UST drama. This really hurt us this year, right? All the UST drama. And so seeing that they are going to focus on this and how we can get this behind us, this nasty situation behind us, is very refreshing to see. You can see she's the head of blockchain at Noviti, and you know, these are the type of people that are going to be sitting down at the table and helping make decisions and help get that information out that we need to talk about what we are capable of and what we are already currently doing. Now, lastly, Brad, our CEO of Ripple, right, says Ripple has invested in over 60 companies across crypto landscape and close to $500 million. Oh, and by the way, spent about $100 million in the stupid case that we have going on with SEC that we will win. But he says has invested in 60 companies and over $500 million. So When you talk two leaders, Danielle Dixon and Brad right here, these are the two individuals that are really helping shape and move this entire market, in my personal opinion. And that's why I do 100% believe that in time we are going to see that decoupling effect, and we will see XLM and XRP move in a velocity much, much faster than Bitcoin and Ethereum can move. So every single day, it's almost becoming impossible to keep up with, but things are 100% heating up. And so if you like this type of content, let me know in the comments section. Make sure you smash that like button so we can get it out to more folks. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. I got more videos coming your way, and I'll see you all in the next one.